Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right, guys, I'm at a virgin house where he sell all different type of fruit, he's selling. Just name it, he got it. I can't even mention the name of these fruit trees, but it's so much different type of fruits. You have all different type of citrus. You have mango. As you see, that's mango. That's another mango, and he actually growing them in container. And most of the fruits them is actually producing. If you notice, we in the greenhouse. Look at all these fruits just growing nicely, growing up here. Everything. You have lime. This is dragon fruit, and if you notice, he got his organic going on here. He don't use chemical. The water from the fishes, that's what he use and wet his plant. So he don't no farm of chemical at all, everything natural. All different kind of fruit trees, guys. Look at them, guys. Everywhere, man, is just beautiful fruit trees. What I come and look for today, I come and look for sugar apple. Look what's going on here. We actually in March right at this time, and this is just producing. I mean, come on, guys, this is amazing. Look at what's going on here. I'm gonna put his link in the description. Anyone need fruit trees, they can contact him. His fruit stem is growing beautiful. This is a plant he tell me I cannot remember, but what he says grow like something like grapes, and all to the side come up his grape. This tree is basically $800 he calling for it, because it take 8 years to produce. It's all different kind of fruits, guys. All kind of citrus, different type of citrus. As you see, dragon fruit, many different.